Hi everyone, so welcome to another video, and we're gonna discuss a new question called custom sort strings. So this is a medium level question, but one of the interesting one. Okay, so the question suggests you are given two strings. Okay, so we have a function, we're gonna create a function, and that will have two arguments. One is order and another is string. Both are strings, but one is order and another is the string. So given things are, all the character of order are unique. Okay, because it will be order, and the characters of the order will be unique, and there will be string, and we have to compare the string's characters with the order and reorder the string. That's why the characters on the order will be unique. So it's saying the permute the characters of S. That's the same thing I explained, so that it will be the character of the string will be sorted exactly in the order, of the string, of the order string. So more specifically, in character X occurs before a character Y in order blah 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 is the same thing. So if we go to example 1, we see that order is CBA and the string is ABCD and the output is CBAD. So what happens is we're going to take the string, and we'll see that in order string C comes first, so we're going to put C first, then B comes second, so we have to put B in the second position, then A comes third in the order, so we're going to take A from the S and keep it that at the third position, and whatever left that's gonna go to at the end. So one more edge cases here, right, we have to consider that is not mentioned in the example. What's gonna happen if our string has duplicates? So maybe B, right, rather than one A and single B. Now what happen if there are two B's? So then the output should become C B B A D. So we have to consider the number of characters in the string as well, right? Same thing, and as the example suggests that the order length can be smaller than S length. That doesn't matter because we just have to use the order to sort the string. Simple. And that's that. I think that much is that's all we need that are given, and we need to solve it. So let me explain how we're going to solve it on the whiteboard. Okay, so if we consider the example 1, right, and then in example 1 the order is given as CBA and the string is given as A B C D. Now let's make this string include our edge cases. Let's make two C's, okay, and one D. So our output should be C comes first, so we're gonna move C. There are two C's, so we should be doing 2C, and then we're gonna do B comes second, so we're gonna do B, then we're gonna do A and D. This should be our output. So the hint is here. The hint is like those questions when we have to find frequency of a character. The best way to do it is a map. So we saw, means there are many those kind of problems, but in any problem somebody asks to, or the question is related to finding frequency of a character in a string, it is a map. Okay, so what are you going to do? First we're going to go through the string, not order, through the string, and we're going to create our frequency map. So our map will become C2 B1 A1 and D1. Right, we get our frequencies. Now what happened? Now we're going to go through our order. Now we're going to loop on order. So if we loop on order, now we're going to find C. Then you see, okay, C is present. There are two C's, so we're going to build our string. There is 2C, so we're going to create 2C to our we're going to add 2 C's to our string, right? Then it will go to B. We're going to get the frequency of B from the map, and then we're going to add that to our string. Same way we're going to go to A, then we're going to find A and add it. Now what are you going to do to the D? How are you going to get D? So to do that, how are you going to do it? So time we completed C, right, we're going to delete it from the map. Same way, once we used B, we're going to delete it from the map, and once we used A, we're going to delete it from the map. So after we constructing, or after our loop on the order is completed, right, we're going to get CCBA. Then we're going to again check if anything left in our map. Then we're going to find D, right? Then we're going to find the keys, and whatever left in the map, again we're going to keep adding it to the string. So D will be added here from the map, and at the end our output becomes C C B A D. Bingo, this is what we need. So now let's try to implement it using JavaScript. So first thing first, right, first step 1, like create the frequency map. And in that way, what you're going to do here is let's let map equals to new map, right? And then we're gonna loop through our S. So for let I equals to 0, I less than S dot length I plus plus, right? And then let char equal to S of I. Now map dot set char. Then if char exists, like map dot get char plus 1. If not, we're gonna just put 1. We're gonna initiate it with 1. So this should do the trick. And then we're gonna go for our map is ready now, right? This will give us our frequency map. So now we have to loop through our order. Let's create a result string. Let result equals to empty string. Okay, map is created. Now in step 2, create let's create the string, create the result string, we can say, right? Yeah. So to create the result string, we have to again loop through our order. For let I equals to 0, then I less than order dot length I plus plus, and then we're gonna let char equals to order of I. So actually I create variables like that so that I don't have to write this notation again and again in the code. It's better to use, you know, a variable name. Anyway, where we are again, so now we have to get every character from the order, right? Now let F stand for frequency is map dot get character, right? If it's exist, it will get it anyway. Now if F then sorry, if F, remember we have to loop through the frequency. For example, if you get A twice, right, get a frequency of 2, then we have to add A twice to our string. So we're gonna have to write another for loop for, I think I'm gonna use it, yes, perfect. Let's get J, then length less than F, right, and J plus plus. Then we have to add your result plus equals to correct, perfect. So now also we need to delete the same from the map. So once we did it, so map dot delete character, perfect. Now we have to check if map has anything left in it. Now let keys equals to map dot keys, and we have to do it like array dot from, so it will give us a array of keys. And then again we have to do the same logic here. Whatever we did here, right, we can repeat it, and we're gonna find for and j, let's make it I less than our keys dot length I plus plus, and then let's see equals to our let char equals to we got keys is keys are nothing but the char is equal to like keys of I, so this will give us the character. Then let frequency equals to map dot get f, we again get the frequency, and then we can create this logic. We don't have to check if f exists or not this time, because we are checking the whatever exists there, right? So now let the same j equal to 0, j plus plus, result equals to char. Perfect, we don't have to do anything, same logic will work. And again we have to delete the thing. Perfect, at the end, right at the end, our result should contain the required value. Now let's test it. What have I done? Anyway, let's try. Oops, it's a character, see, bad. Character, perfect. Perfect, so it worked. Now let's test it on Leet. So I can copy our whole method from here, then we're gonna go to our Leet, let's paste it, and then run the test case. Perfect, and now we're gonna submit it. Perfect, so it worked. Not the efficient one, so there might be some efficient solution than this, but this solution is easy enough to understand, and it works. Anywho, that's that. Thank you very much for watching.